Good morning and assalamu alaikum. I am Sahiran B. Anong and I will discuss about the concept of forest ecology, which is this is about the forest, an approach of an approach to the analysis of forest ecology and about the present day forest. The scope of this book, an understanding of forests, trees, and communities is managed, exploited, or wilderness condition is based in part upon the environment of the forest and by the way its affect trees making up the forest but also in part upon the genetic nature of the trees themselves and the way in which this affect the response of trees to the environment they find themselves in. So, ibig sabihin, it is about how we understand the function of forest trees, also as well as the community, how they manage, and the exploited or wilderness condition basis in a part of this environment of a specific forest, the way they can affect that a species of, for instance, the trees, which is can the forest make up to the genetic nature of trees, which is can affect and the response of the trees environment to uh, find themselves as well as this is genetic the environment interaction discussed in part 1. The genetic aspect of the forest ecosystem constituent the physical environment, yun na yung mga physical environment, the habitat or the site, also the forest environment in the composite of the product of many interacting factors. The inconvenient to present the discuss separately each physical factors and atmosphere surrounding the forest of the soil in which the forest is ingrown. Okay, the habitat or site is it more commonly called in the case of trees. In the sum total of atmospheric and soil conditions surrounding and available to the plant. Among our atmospheric factors, solar radiation, air temperature, air humidity, and carbon dioxide content all vary throughout the day from day to day, month to month, and year to year, making up the complex we term climate. Below the surface, the supply of soil nutrients, the soil moisture regime, the physical structure of the soil, and the nature decomposition pattern of organic matter, etc. Factors pertaining to the soil, adaptive factors all affect the growth and development of plants. Furthermore, the growing vegetation its affect the climate of the soil so that site changes as the plants themselves grow and change. The study of environmental factors their affect their plants constituent the field of ecology. Summarize those aspects of forest ecology, the pertinent and understanding the forest ecosystem is managed by a man. The forest community is produced by an interaction between forest trees, other forest organism on one hand and the forest environment of the other. Over a period of time, together with the constituent of the forest ecosystem, each community follows definite life cycle in which it becomes established, developed, reach maturity, and its strains give way to another community, either similar or different composition. In the composition for growing space, many lose out while others thrive either as a result of their ability to absorb space on themselves to cooperate with the other plants establishing themselves as niche. Also, chemical structure and life processes involve the science and biochemistry. It is perfectly proper to investigate the life of organism on any these plants. The level of integration concept has great importance in development of logical approach to ecology. Illustrate the alternatives. A life history can be described as the chain of events, which each event involving a whole plant. For example, the seed germinate, the seedlings grown to be sapling, the sapling is killed by fire. The same life history can be stated in several changes organ events. This is in terms of what happened leaves, roots, and stems. It can be described in the terms of still larger number of tissue event. The resolving can be done repeatedly down through the cellular event, subcellular event, colloidal events, and molecular event. It is information where available of life history can be described as an incomprehensibly large number of molecular events. Environmental factors can be solved similarly to example elimination, mesophyll cell, protein striking, and chlorophyll molecule. The forest is one of the basic physiognomic life forms by which biotic communities may be classified, characterized by the predominance of woody vegetation, substantially taller than man, for its widespread land surfaces, humid climate outside the polar region. It is a forest general in woody terms, but North American forest, in particularly that the forest book contained. As well as the biotic types, the forest may be defined as the several levels of mob. Obviously, may be considered simply terms of the trees, those plants which give community its characteristic physiognomy. Thus we think of beech maple forest and surface fir forest. It is the forest types which naming of the predominant trees saves the classify by community. An approach to the analysis of forest ecology. The scope of forest ecology then may be defined as the analysis at the forest ecosystem. Such an analysis is facilitated first by the segregation of the ecosystem into the organic and organic aspect and by the consideration of forest community and entire ecosystem. The sequence of analysis, the forestry, the variation of diversity of forest species, forest environment, the forest community, and forest ecosystem, forest history. In a book such as this is designed primarily for those interested in forests, especially for the forest programming course, the ecological foundation and silviculture and organic aspect may be concerned primarily with the forest as trees themselves since they are objective of management. And the organism which may be forest manager and the forest scientist and primarily concerned. Present-day forest. Also, the principle of forest ecology may be presented by the considering the forest as a complex ecosystem arising out of the interaction of the forest, trees, and environment. So many factors are involved over so long a period of time that is the rise to conclude with the consideration of forest and as they actually are not necessarily they should be in accordance with our philosophy. Brings together information present forest community and the differential for portion of